Tell me you're from Lebanon without telling me that you're from Lebanon. Let's make the famous stuffed zucchini cooked in yogurt the Lebanese way. In this video, you will find every tiny detail you need to make this dish, and you will make it the authentic way. Let's begin by soaking 2 cups of Egyptian rice in hot water for 30 minutes. In this time, we will hollow 2.5 kilograms of zucchinis. Put your finger on the corner where it meets the end of the zucchini. This way, you will ensure not to break it. Start by hollowing it like this until it's empty from the inside. Now drain the rice from the water, let it cool, and then you can add the meat. Add half a kilogram of meat, 1 tablespoon of Lebanese 7 spices, 1 teaspoon cinnamon, 1 teaspoon dried mint. Now for the salt, each cup of rice needs 1 teaspoon of salt, plus half a teaspoon for the meat, so the total will be 2.5 teaspoons of salt, 2 crushed garlic cloves, and 1 tablespoon of ghee. And finally, an optional 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Mix all the ingredients very well until they're completely mixed. Now you have to stuff each zucchini with the rice and meat mix. Shake it so the rice and meat will fall to the bottom, and continue until there is 1/4 left empty. This empty space is left for the rice when it expands in cooking. Now I put all the zucchinis in a pot, I put a plate over them, and I cover them with water. Cover the lid and put them on medium heat for 15 minutes after boiling. This step ensures much shorter cooking time in yogurt. Also, you can put it directly in the yogurt, both ways are correct. Now drain the zucchinis and put them aside. For the yogurt, add 2 kilograms of yogurt, 4 cups of water, and 3 heaped tablespoons of cornstarch. Now, without any heat, mix for a few minutes. Then put it on medium heat and mix every few minutes. When it starts to boil, add the zucchinis like this. Mix when needed and leave them for 1 hour or until the zucchinis are fully cooked. In this time, fry 1 whole head of garlic in some ghee or oil until it turns gold. Then add 2 tablespoons of dried mint. We call this mix تقلية توم ونعناع. Add oil as needed and then put it on the yogurt when it's hot and listen to the sound. And now lunch is ready. You can take the zucchinis out from the yogurt. We serve it hot like this, and you can decorate it with some pine nuts. Or you can put the pine nuts inside the rice and meat mixture. Now you know everything about Lebanese stuffed zucchinis. Can't wait for you to try it and tell me your opinion. صحتين وهنا.